Good morning all. I hope you all are doing good. Yes? Okay babies. So let's begin our day with the date first. So today's date is 30th September 2020. Okay, and day is Wednesday. And we are doing English. Yes? And babies, we all know vowels. Okay, so repeat it with me. Which vowel is this? A. This is E, I, O, and U. A, E, I, O, U. Okay, so this is the long sound of the vowels. Now what is the short sound? A, eh, E, O, A. A, eh, E, O, A. And we have done A, this vowel we have already done, and today we are going to do vowel E. And what is the short sound of this vowel? Eh. What is the short sound of this vowel? Eh. Okay, so babies, now look at this. Have you read this sight words? Yes? You did this? Okay, I am going to write it down here. We'll do it again. Okay, we'll read it again. Okay, we have to read it every day. Now read what is written here. Sight words. Sight words. I, whenever you have GH after I, G and H will remain silent and I will give us a long sound. Sa, ita, sight. La, ita, light. Okay. Wait. So G and H will be silent and I will give us a long sound. Sight words. We all know what are sight words? Yes? So let's read. Sight words are those words that we use frequently. Okay? So, see, I am going to write it down here. What is the first word I am writing? The. Okay? Yes. Yes, I know sight words. We. Okay? What is this? He. And this is she. He and she we are doing in sight in EVS also. Genders. Yes? He and she. Now, what is this? I am doing my work. I am a girl. You are so nice. You are so nice. Are you reading sight words? Okay. Me. This is me. I have a chalk. A chalk. Do and to. Do and to. Okay, I do my work myself. I go to school by car. I go to school by van. I go to school by scooter. Okay, now these are vowels. What are the long sound of the vowels? A, E, I, O, U. And the short sound is A, E, E, O, A. And we are doing vowel E. Which vowel we are doing? Vowel E. What is the short sound of vowel E? Is Eh. Eh. Okay. Now read what I am writing. Ba, E, D, bed. How many vowels are there? Only one vowel. So it will give us a short sound because we have only one vowel here and two consonant and one vowel. So it will give us a short sound. Ba, E, D, bed. Read this. Fa, E, D, fed. Fa, E, D, fed. Now, va, ed, wet. Bed, fed, wet. We have only one vowel here, so the vowel will give us a short sound. B, ed, bed, f, ed, fed, b, ed, wet. But if we have two vowels like b, e, d, beat. Now we have two vowels, so it will give us a long sound. Double E gives us a long E sound. B, e, d, beat. F, e, d, feet. V, E, D, V. Here we have two vowels. Okay, so vowel is giving us a long sound here, and here it is giving us a short sound because we have only one vowel here. Okay, so do you know this now? Read sight words always. Okay, and now we will do sound words. We are going to do sound words. Okay, read it with me. Orders words with vowel eh. Words with vowel eh. So we have got three families here: at, ed, and n. Now first we will do this family words. Okay. So you will read, always read word first and then write them down. Okay. First you read the word and then write it. So the first word is bed. B, e, t, bet. Get. G, e, t, get. Let. L, e, t, let. Met. M, e, t, met. Net. N, e, t, net. Pet. P, e, t, pet. Set. S, e, t, set. And then we have jet. J, et, jet. Okay. Now we'll do at family word. First word is bed. B, e, d, bet. Second word is fed. F, e, d, fed. Led. L, e, d, led. Red. R, e, d, red. Then we have wet. V, e, d, wet. Okay, now comes the third family, that is N. Okay, now first word is den. D, e, n, den. Lion lives in a den. Pen. P, e, n, pen. Men. M, e, n, men. M, e, n, men. If we have A here, A apple, it means one man. If we have E here, it means बहुत सारे men. Okay. Men. 10. How many fingers do you have in your hands? 10 fingers. Okay. And 10 toes. 10. Okay. So let's read these words once again. Babies, you have to write, read the word first and then only you will write. Okay. So read b, e, t, bet. G, e, t, get. L, e, t, let. M, et, met. N, et, net. P, et, pet. S, et, set. J, et, jet. Now, if you now you know how to read the words. Now you need not to break them. B, et, bed, fed, let, ret, wet. Then, pen, men, ten, hen. Okay. So these words we are going to write down in your English notebook. Okay, so write down today's date and day, and these words you are going to write down in your English notebook. Okay, and from your Cursive for Junior book, you will open page number 50, and we are going to do egg sound words. Okay, so what is the first word? Can you read it? Egg, bag, keg, leg, and peg. Okay, and from the same book we will do 2 more pages. We have done page number 25, yes, and page number 27 we have done. So today we'll do page number 26, and page number 28. Okay, so these are again sight words. Read them. Do, go, so, to. These two are giving us a same sound, and these two give us a same sound. Okay, so there are some exceptions also in English words. So we have to read them as they are. Do, go, so, and to. These words you are going to write down on page number 28 from your Cursive for Junior book. And in your Tippy Tab book, you will read page number 38, first line. This is your first line you are going to read, and you are going to read page number 15. Page number 15, add sound words. We are not going to read this, we will read this word, first line. Okay, add sound words. Add. So, b add bed, f add fed, r add red, l add let, and v add wet. Okay, again read bed, fed, red, let, and wet. Read these words from Tippy Tab book, page number 50. Babies, this is all for today. Have a nice day.